All right, folks, we have here the Infinity LC525 IS lift chair unboxing. Okay, so on that power chair, what you would have to do when you get your chair, it'll be on a pallet just like this, in this box just like this. So the first thing to do would be to cut off these white straps. All right, so we got the white straps cut off. Whoop, the box opens up already. So let's just see what we have here. Okay, so here I think the best thing to do, this box sits inside of a, I think it pulls right off like this. And then you're gonna have your plastic. So make sure when you cut everything off, you don't cut the chair. Take the plastic off. And now you will have the back of the chair here, and this plastic will come off. And I'm going to turn this around so you can see this. So when you get your chair, the back right here, the back is not on the chair yet. Okay, so you can see right here, there's grooves on this side, on both sides. So you have to snap it in here. So before you snap it in there, you will take these little protections off, and you can see where the arms are right here. Okay. All right, so this box was sitting here. I'm going to pull this box out, see what's in here. So your owner's manual is in here. Your remote is over here. And this is your little tool. So you'll have a little Allen wrench right here with a couple of screws here. So this is your charger, and that's pretty simple. You would take the cord out and you'll plug right here. This will go in the wall, of course. And this one here is your other end of your charging cord. So this little end right here will go in the bottom of this one here. It's really small. You have to have really good eyes, better than mine. And now you've got your power cord ready to go, okay? So now I'm gonna put this aside here, and we're gonna take it off the pallet, and we're gonna be right back. All right, folks, we're back again. So again, this is the lift chair. We've got the charger plugged in here. Everything's ready to go. So on this chair, there's no other plugging in. Once you plug in your charger right here and you plug this into the wall, there's no other connections. A very easy one to set up. Very, very easy. You have your remote right here. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to drop the back onto the chair. So before you drop the cushion on, take your remote, put it over the back of the cushion like this. And then take your thing. I'm in. And you'll hear it snap once it's in there. You have two bolts to put in. It's a bolt and a washer, okay? There's one on each side. So to get to it, you see this cover right here? This cover pulls off. It's on Velcro, okay? And if you look at the bottom right here, we've already got one bolt in here. The hole's already preset. The other hole's there. So you have to put these two bolts, tighten them up with the Allen wrench you get. One on this side, one on this side. So the bolt will go in between the two bolts sticking out. There's two bolts sticking out. Don't worry about those. These go in from the inside like this on both sides, and then you tighten them up. Okay, now that we've got both of the bolts tightened and all that on both sides, we know the back is not going to come out. The only thing you have to do is put your cover back over here and over here, and bring it back under here. It's all Velcroed all the way up there. And then bring your bottom back down like this. Folks, so this was the unboxing of the Infinity LC525IS lift chair. Now this is the petite, meaning this is the smallest one. We have petite, we have medium, large, we have different size, different materials. So we had only this one to do a video on, but we want to show you this one was really easy to set up. All you have to do is connect that power cable. There's no other power cable to connect. Run your thing through the middle here. Drop your back on and put 2 screws. That was so easy to do. So if you have any questions on this, give us a call. We have all kinds of power chairs available, and hopefully this setup on this Infinity LC525IS was able to help you out if you get one of these. Thank you for watching us. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.